We were talking in the last episode about the importance of heart in a believer's or any person's day-to-day life. While science tells us that physically heart plays a very important role in pumping the blood, it does far more than that. The heart also has an impact on how we manage our emotions, how we set our vision, how we take care of our body. A sound heart is a sound body, a corrupt heart is a corrupt body. A sound heart is a sound mindset, a corrupt heart is a corrupt mindset. And a heart without its purity lacks vision, and a sound with purity knows where it needs to go, the end goal. That's the role that the heart plays. Heart plays a significant role because heart is the place where the nur of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes. Our body receives the nur, and the place where the nur comes is our heart. This nur is what purifies us, which cleans us, which gives us the clarity to manage our emotions, our thoughts. And this nur is what gives us contentment and satisfaction. A lot of people that are stressed, that are emotionally upset, that are depressed, the Quranic treatment for them is that they should attain the contentment of the heart. And how so? Is through the nur that comes. What brings the nur to the heart? Well, when we believe, our iman brings nur. When we do zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that brings nur. When we do wudu, that brings nur. When we do salatu salam on Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that brings nur. When we do good deeds, that has its own nur, right? When we pray salah, when we walk towards the masjid in the hours of darkness, fajr, maghrib, isha, every step brings nur. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that know that the contentment of heart, the ease of heart is in the zikr. Allah bi zikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. Through the zikr of Allah, you achieve the contentment of heart, the pleasement of heart. So this heart is not just something that effectively pumps the blood, but in the leadership, as the science has already established, it plays a role. One more thing that it does, Umar, is that it brings foresight. Once this nur starts coming in the container, the more your container, this heart acts as a container. More nur in this container, the more benefits. One of the benefits is that it brings foresight. One of the teachings of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is that be mindful, be fearful of the foresight of a moment, because he sees through the nur given to him by Allah.
Sees from the heart.
Sees from the heart. And what's in the heart is the nur that has been given to him by Allah. Be fearful from the moment, because he sees from the foresight that has been given to him by Allah. The nur that has been given to by Allah.